Hi, welcome back to a new video. Today we shall discuss the features of Android 13. So the first feature is given to the camera. So we can take HDR video capture. So apps can use camera to capture and preview HDR video content. So whenever we're using the camera, we want to have a good experience of the phone. So when we talk about the user experience, we come across color theme applied on automatically to the web view content. So we want to change a whole lot of colors, a bunch of themes. In Android 13, the API level is 33. And next we come to the privacy and security. So Android 13 introduces a new runtime notification permission, and it also hides sensitive content from Clipboard. Privacy is taken to the next level. And we also have the new runtime permission for nearby Wi-Fi devices. So while using certain API apps which use Wi-Fi, those apps do not require the access for the physical location of the device. And next, use of body sensors in the background requires no permission. So if your app targets Android 13 and requires access to body sensor information in the background, then you must declare the new body sensors background permission. Intent filters block non-matching intents, so apps no longer receive intents for their exported components from external apps unless they match their declared intent filter elements. And next, coming to the media, we have the spatial audio. It's an immersive audio experience for more realistic sounding content. And we have the Bluetooth LE audio. So Android 13 adds built-in support for LE audio, so developers should get the new capabilities for free on compatible devices. And we have themed icons. Apps provide monochromatic app icons that can be styled on a user's device using Material U dynamic color. And some more features of the Android 13 are faster hyphenation, text conversion APIs, improved line heights for non-Latin scripts, improved Japanese text wrapping, Unicode library updates, color vector fonts, quick settings placement API, Clipboard Preview, predictive back gesture, Programmable Shaders, choreographer improvements, which is very important, Photo Picker, improved support for tablets and large screen devices, and much more. And now let's talk about the Samsung One UI 5. Let's talk about the features. So it comes with lock screen customization. So you can just tap and hold the lock screen to customize your wallpaper, clock style, notification settings, and more. And in addition to that, you can also easily trim a video clip to create a live wallpaper with just a few taps. Talking about the wallpaper, we have more wallpaper choices. So wallpaper settings are redesigned, making it easier for you to find wallpapers for your home screen as well as lock screens. Easy recognition with call background. So you can set a different call background for each contact so you can easily see who's calling with just a quick glance. And you also have more options available on your color palette. So now it becomes easier to find colors. So we can choose colors from 16 color themes that match your wallpaper that are beautifully curated to fit your taste. Now we'll talk about the modes and routines. Now it becomes even easier to discover preset routines. The design layout of Discover screen has been simplified to make it easier to find useful routines. When we're talking about routines, we have sleep mode in the chain of things. So sleep mode lets you automate more actions when it's time for bed, like adjusting the screen brightness and changing the sound mode. And we have different modes, so we can choose a mode based on what we're doing, like exercising or working, so you can set the phone adequate to each situation. So with that said, we come to the active routines at a glance. So routines that are currently running are now shown at the top of the routine screen, so we can understand what's happening and we can make the changes if necessary. To the next, that is a widget. So we have stack widgets on home screen and smart suggestions widget. We can combine several widgets of the same size into a single widget to make your home screen look neat and organized. The newly added smart suggestions widget knows what you need before you do. It suggests apps to use, people to call, calendar events, and more. Next, we have multitasking. So you can change the view with a gesture. So we can change the view of the screen from full screen to a split screen by just swiping upward from the bottom of the screen with 2 fingers. Not only that, we also have the quick open apps in split screen. So we get a whole bunch of features in Android 13 in the One UI 5. So we can drag apps from the taskbar or a recent screen to open them, which is very convenient. And you can also drag to the top, bottom, left, or right edge of the screen to open a split screen. Drag to the center of the screen to open a pop-up. Now let's talk about the design and interface. So we have smoother animation, new animations and transition effects make switching between screens feel more natural. Next we have improved blur effects and simplified color schemes. So when we capture a photo or record a video, that gets stored in the gallery. So that brings us to camera and gallery. So we have easy zoom with one hand. So with the minimized zoom bar, you can zoom in and out with a single swipe using one hand. And you can also add watermarks to your photos. And the most important and interesting feature, that is a telephoto lens in food mode. So you can take better close-up shots of food using the telephoto lens. We also have easy filter selection, and we can customize albums in gallery. And next, coming to the photo and video editor, so we have more options for stickers, enhanced GIF editing. So we can create stickers from any photo, and we can draw perfect shapes on photos and videos. So we come a step further to AR emoji and stickers. So we also have a whole bunch of emojis and stickers, and you can also pair up 2 emojis together and create fun dances and poses. And in Samsung keyboard, we have spacebar row customization, rearrange expression buttons, and more emojis. Coming to Samsung DeX, we have newly added taskbar, new notification indicator, mini calendar, and much more. And the most important what we want to have in our mobile is privacy and security. Just like the Android 13, even the One UI features this. So it enables secure web browsing, security check, and warning when sharing personal information. And we also have multiple timers and clock, redesigned app, that is the digital well-being. And in reminders, we have today category, show and hide completed reminders, and reminder view setup. And in accessibility, we have readability, options in quick panel, use your mobile as a magnifier, and more voice assistance. So we have RAM Plus and device care in settings, and we also have auto optimization in settings. And in notifications, given a whole bunch of changes, like easier control, improved design layout, detailed settings, and much more. So with this, we wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video. Till then, take care and bye for now.